How to create new pages and add them to your menu in Wix Studio. First things first, make sure to click right here into your menu and click onto this Manage Menu option that will appear. So for this one, we have the menu of gallery and some other options. So in here, we can click onto this Manage Site Menus and we have in here this one. So what we can do is you can just head over and click onto this Add Item first and then click onto this Main Pages. Now for this one, what we can do is you can just head over and then apply in here a page that we want to add into the menu. So if you don't have a new page yet, you can head over right here to this icon right here, which is the pages icon. Then click onto this add new page and then head over and create one. So for example, I have created this blog option. Let's head over and add that to our menu. From in there, head over and click on it again and click onto this add item. Click onto this main pages and then click onto this show more pages. And then from in there, it should be able to show it right here. So just click onto this choose a page. Then in here, just choose in here this blog page right there. Then you can also input which category will be added for that and what will be displayed. And after that, head over and click onto this done in order to add it into your menu. So that's how you create new pages and add them to your menu in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.